official squirrel delivery, my friend. He's got no time for climbing, he's a mind guy, you see. Just wants a handful of almonds and a share